Welcome to the Financial Control Center. This guide will show the managing committee how to organize your community's money by creating expense groups and setting budgets. The first step towards financial transparency is getting this right. An expense group can be thought of as a major folder for all your bills. Instead of having a pile of receipts, you can organize them into clear categories. For example, all costs related to security, salaries, system maintenance, gate barriers, and repairs can go into one security group. Why should we use them? For clarity. This way, you know exactly where your community's money is going at a glance. For budgeting. Set an expected amount of budget to control spending, and for reporting. This makes audit reports simple and quick. To create a new expense group, navigate to the Expense tab and click the Create Expense Group button. A form will appear ready for your details. The group name should be a simple, clear title for the expense category, for example, water supply and utilities. Then provide a description, a brief note explaining what the group covers. For example, all common areas, water, electricity, and generator costs. Then select the fund account, which is the bank account or fund used to pay bills. For example, we will select the regular maintenance fund. Next, set the interval period, which is how often this budget is calculated. For example, monthly, yearly, daily, weekly. We will select monthly. In the status UI, always set to active so you can start logging bills against it. Then, name the expense items. Name the specific bill or cost within the group. For example, tanker water charges. The expected amount is the anticipated cost for the item based on the new interval period. For example, we'll take $15,000. To add another item, click this to include more specific costs under the same group. After listing all limits and their expected amounts, click on the Save button. Your new expense group is now ready. Now that your expense group is set up, the CiviQ system will automatically start managing your budget. Expense groups let you see your community budget at a glance. You can quickly check if you are financially prepared for the month by looking at the total expected amount. It confirms that every expense category is linked to the correct source of money of one account. The Recent Expenses section is where all transactions you log appear. You will see the date, the exact amount paid, and which expense group that bill belongs to. It acts as your community's checkbook history. If a resident asks about a specific payment, you can quickly find it here, filter the results, and even click Export CSP here to download all the data for easy accounting. By using both sections of the dashboard, you are comparing your expected budget against your actual spending. This simple comparison is the secret to great financial management, allowing your community to stay on budget and to be 100% transparent with every rupee you spend.